give him it in little pieces. He's like, feed me. What do you keep dropping it for? Feed him. Pet him, babe.
Huh?
Pet him.
Cool? Huh?
Did you get the ones on the floor? Make sure there's no sticker on it.
You like that?
Kneel down.
Taking a video?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want you to do that. I'm sorry. You scared me. You sneezed.
The best part is I got that on a video.